In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close your Xero account. Now, before we dive into the steps, let's understand something important. While Xero does not permit the permanent deletion of an account, what you can do is cancel your subscriptions. This is crucial because by cancelling your subscriptions, you can ensure that there are no future deductions from your account. This is especially helpful for individuals or businesses that are transitioning over to a new accounting software, or for those who simply wish to halt their Xero services for any reason. Alright, let's get started with the process. The first thing you'll need to do is navigate to the Xero website. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the page. You should see a login button. Go ahead and click on that. This is your gateway to accessing your account's backend, where you can make the necessary changes. Once you've clicked on login, it's time to identify yourself to the system. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and password associated with your Xero account. Take your time to enter your details accurately to ensure a smooth login process. After inputting your credentials, you'll see another button labeled Login. Click on it to access your dashboard. This dashboard is essentially the nerve center of your Xero account, where you can view a wide range of information related to your accounting. Now, once you're in, you'll want to navigate to My Xero vertical bar home. You can do this by clicking on the link, often located somewhere accessible on your dashboard. It's designed to take you directly to a page where you can manage various aspects of your account. Next, you'll find the option to Edit Profile. This is an important step as it will lead you towards the path of managing your subscriptions. Click on the link to proceed. After clicking on Edit Profile, your next destination is the Subscriptions tab. Here you'll find an overview of all the subscriptions attached to your Xero account. This page is crucial because it allows you to manage, or in this case, cancel the subscriptions you no longer need. When you're viewing your subscriptions, you'll notice 3 dots or a similar icon next to each subscription entry. Clicking on these dots will open up a menu with additional options. What you're looking for is the Cancel Subscription option. This is the button that initiates the cancellation process for that particular subscription. Upon clicking Cancel Subscription, you'll be asked to provide a reason for your cancellation. Xero is interested in understanding why users choose to cancel their subscriptions, whether it's due to financial reasons, a switch to another service, or any other factor. This feedback is valuable to them, but, more importantly, selecting a reason gets you one step closer to finalizing the cancellation. The last step in the process is to confirm your cancellation. You will see a Confirm Cancellation button or a similarly labelled option. Clicking on this will finalise your decision to cancel your subscription. It's a significant step because once confirmed, the cancellation becomes effective and you will no longer be billed for the subscription in the future. Here's a couple of additional tips before we wrap up. Remember to repeat this cancellation process for all the subscriptions you have with Xero. Each subscription must be cancelled individually to ensure that there are no future deductions for any service. Lastly, while you cannot delete your Xero account entirely, cancelling your subscriptions, as we've outlined today, is the best course of action to prevent any further charges. This process provides you with control over your account and peace of mind, knowing that you won't incur unexpected expenses. And that's how you close your Xero account, by cancelling your subscriptions. We hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you for watching and take care.